Rescue Plan Act of 2021 included a COBRA premium subsidy provision. In general, the subsidy applies from April 1st to September 30th and applies with respect to involuntary terminations of employment and reduction in hours. Recently, the United States Department of Labor issued model notices that should be provided in connection with the ARPA subsidy. These may be found on the DOL's website. I'll quickly go through these notices and provide you a little information regarding the guidance that was provided in connection with the notices. Basically, there are 5 notices that were provided by the DOL. A general election notice, which should be used during the period from April 1 to September 30 for all qualifying events, regardless of whether it was an involuntary termination of employment or reduction in hours. A model notice in connection with extended election periods. This is a notice that's going to be provided to people who may be already on COBRA coming into the subsidy period, or who could be eligible for the subsidy had they elected or not previously dropped COBRA. There's a model alternative notice, which should be used with respect to those employers that are subject to, for example, a state mini COBRA law. Notice of expiration of premium assistance, and this notice must be provided in connection with the end of the subsidy, or if the subsidy ends earlier within the subsidy period. For example, if an individual's 18 months of COBRA expires during the subsidy period. There's also a summary of COBRA premium assistance, and this includes a certification that employees wishing to take advantage of the subsidy must complete in order to identify whether they are eligible. And in general, they're only eligible to the extent that they are not eligible for other group health plan coverage, with some exceptions, or for Medicare. These notices were promised to us by April 10th by the DOL. They were issued on April 7th and should be used by employers in most circumstances going forward. The model guidance also included some FAQs that are helpful that also can be provided or seen on the website. We're hopeful for additional guidance to provide some clarification on such issues as what is involuntary termination. So please look out for that guidance in the future, either from the IRS or the DOL.